So Tio's happy to go forward, wants us to make more interactions with him and wants us to give him a quote, right? Or go for a meeting and talk further. So we're going to convert. We're going to go up to the top and convert. When we convert, it's going to create a new account for Camden News and it's going to create a new contact for Tio Brando. And we've got an option whether we want to create a new deal or not. We do. Amount. Now, this is a ballpark figure. This is, I don't know anything about his card access system. I don't know how many doors they want. I'm just going to take a ballpark figure because I can change it anyway and say it's going to be a $10,000 card access system, right? Camden News card access system. You can remove Camden News. You don't need to leave the name there because it'll be tagged to their name anyway. But it's up to you how you want to you want to format your deal names. You can put whatever you want. You can change them later. How long am I going to give myself to finish this? I'll be giving myself a month to close this deal. And what stage are we in? You'll have your different definitions for these stages: qualifying, needs analysis, value proposition, ID decision makers, proposal. I don't know why ID decision makers is so late in the funnel. I would have thought that would have come further on, but I might just be talking rubbish there. Because we've just already ID'd it. So you're probably going to jump to ID decision makers because that's what you've done. The value proposition, I guess, was phoning up and saying, look, I can do a card access system for you. Is it something you're interested in? Yes. So I've done the value proposition and I've ID'd that Tio's going to make it. So you can choose whatever stage you want it to be at. We're going to jump to ID decision makers. Campaign source is not in the system, but again, this is what I said. Flag a Facebook ad, flag a Yellow Pages, tag a technician if you want to do a campaign source as one of the people as a referrals. Leave it blank if there isn't any. Contact role. This person is which type of person is it? The product manager, the economic decision maker, engineering lead. I'm just going to say it's the decision maker. We need to dig further into all those different types, and I'm going to convert, right? So now I've got an account, a contact, and a deal. We've converted the lead. This person wants to speak with us. So now Camden News has an account, has Tio Brando, has tagged to the account, and we have a deal for Tio. And you can see we've jumped to the fourth stage of the pipeline because we've ID'd Tio as the decision maker, and now we're going to present a proposal, right?